All right, so we don't come back and Chidera there, she don't talk, she say, it better make the woman no and let them go like that. But now we don't reach that time, we'll go do interview proper with her because of the book where she writes, and he actually they refer to when silence is too loud, no let them too take before you ask or investigate. So Chidera, how the writing things they go for you as a lawyer to be and
I don't finish school though.
Oh, you don't finish school?
You do this one before?
When you did school, you write this one?
Yeah, now when I did school.
When you did
Beautiful.
school?
Yes.
500 level?
Yes, I wrote it when I was in 400
now
level.
pidgin they speak pidgin.
I've been writing when I did 400 level. Actually, don't mind me. I've been writing when I did 400 level, but I don't graduate now. I graduate this year. I've been there, I go law school November.
All right, beautiful. Make I ask you one important question. When silence becomes too loud, what inspires you to write this particular book?
Okay, now crime suspense first of all.
Okay.
And a novel, fiction. Now projecting overconfidence before productivity. Now in the novel they try explain. The man they find something where they in base. Now in carry they find somewhere else. So when you been find out say don't be like say the thing when they find just stay there and they dead.
Like when they say what did they look for
Sokoto. Exactly. Everybody everybody know what's gonna happen. Person die. In fact, 2 people die. Everybody gets story for heart. Where been make them suspects. Nobody won't say anything. I can't think. Now the Mumu inspector, they just use the play. And for a man, didn't say I'm not. Didn't say Baba for the show. Now I make them carry confidence. Put first. Come they do like this. They do like this. See when they find, they there. The person where they commit the thing, they there with them.
But according to the question we share,
what inspire you?
What inspire you? That the journey. That's when you decide that you want to write down.
I've been the right since I've been 9 years now.
Okay.
Yes, I've been the right. I just get small books on my laptop,
So you get some authors when you like or something?
Yes, I love John Grisham.
Of course. Who doesn't love John Grisham?
Now know who they inspire you.
Okay, so you like all those books. Now
Yes,
make you just
them.
decide, say, okay, you know what?
This particular one, I've been read one kind. I get one story from my head where I won't read.
Okay.
I've been go online find them. I don't see them.
Okay.
I say my write them, read. Now be the idea. I might just write and read them.
Okay.
As I write and read, finish. Normally, I give my papa, say me read. Now my #1 fan.
Okay.
And read and finish. Say, Lila, we go publish this one now. Say, okay, now your money now. Now money killer. We get this one now. Wow. But this is my first published piece.
Oh, wow. I won't understand because you say you go law school. How you think they blend them? Because I know as these lawyers, it's not easy something.
I mean, they tell everybody, say, we get 24 hours. And they tell you, say, 24 hours big, plenty. I know if you read more than 3 hours a day.
Okay.
I know if it's man, no lie, I know if you read more than 3 hours a day. So if I use 3 hours, it meant 21. Lectures, how highest 4-5 hours. What time I use the rest to do? Not be say they read like that, not lie. Not be say they read every minute. They meant like that and I lie. And lie, leave that lot. Why
you not actually read mass communication? Because if leave that lot in, suppose they for inside journalism.
No, I'll be one read the literature.
Okay. Literature, if still did the same line.
Yes, but I've been say okay, law get literature inside. I mean, I've been like talk. It gets more. I've been the like show say. Sabiam, they like show my rights. I need to help you.
So now, if so say if you be lawyer or writer, which other thing they eye you for side? Say, I go like want to do this thing.
In fact, not be say I go like I don't pursue already.
Which mean that?
Movie production. I go do this one now. I go put them for movie.
Okay.
Very soon.
Please, we get parts to play. We get parts.
No worry. Don't worry. Parts plenty.
I want to play PG lawyer.
No, I want to play the
investigator.
No, please. the angry girlfriend. Where are gone?
I will kill you.
Angry ex-girlfriend.
Angry ex-girlfriend.
Please, can I go to my interesting part of the day? I want to learn something.
All right.
Sabi say, sorry, we want
So now let me make one entire you Sabi say. I don't see now what I'm the wait for.
I don't wait since.
You Sabi say number 1. You Sabi say them designed the Olympic flag for 1913.
So now 1939 then they do the
Olympic.
Okay, our Olympic the games.
Yes.
Okay.
No, your game. Your game.
All right. Since 1913.
So now since
who
then,
that born there?
Before amalgamation of
That
that.
no, people of old school, American, I don't know that time.
What is that? Don't even call
You refuse to grow.
Right, number 2, you sabi say them invent typewriter for 1829.
Of course.
29. Don't
I love typewriter.
You see the typewriter?
I wish I forget for
Get
my
one
house.
skit I see. We get one skit I see. The woman actually don't leave work like they say 25 years
I don't
ago.
see her.
Now typewriter she tell leave work. Now she go back to office after she don't born her children. Now na computer day. And she just type for the keyboard. Now she, you know, say you go push the thing.
The next one, you sabi say hot water they freeze fast and pass cold water.
Yes, if you boil water, it settle down and freeze. Put on. And if you see during Hamatan, all those people they live for Yankee, you get one small video they've been dropped one time where America been gets that serious cold where they pour hot water where they boil for air, the thing go turn ice.
Are you sure?
Before it go drop? Yes.
Now snowing, now when they snow, now not before here, now when snow not there now.
No, you come Nigeria, you go ice.
Hey, but we can say you want tea. You want them for with you. We ice cold the fall from up. I tell you, that was snow for
Yes.
Now the last one, you sabi say snake not fit bite for river or swamp.
Who says so? He goes straight.
You don't try.
When they keep alligator for inside water, crocodile them. They deal with them inside
Say
water.
snake. Alligator is
snake
different.
and
No, they
Alligator na inside river they
because
get power.
I don't hear that snake own. I talk say if the snake bites you inside water, you know if it bites because if you open mouth, it go drown. Now wait till I read.
You know when you are from the snake kingdom, you know everything. All right, thank you so much. Chidera, thank you so much for your time. Anywhere you to buy your book, anywhere? Where
Yes,
people buy
it's on Konga.
Okay, let you get them online.
Yes, on Konga.
All right, just Google When Silence Becomes Too Loud and go get your copy and read and support her big. Now, young girl where they do plenty things. All right, thank you so much and we wish you all the best for inside your career. All right, we're going to meet tonight tomorrow will be our family day. And as we always they talk before we come out.
To talk no be bad thing, but making a way to talk about.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.